Hey guys, let me show you a quick unboxing of this Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. This one actually comes from the European distribution. So first, quick overview of the box. On the left side we got full name of the device. Right here you can also find the size and the technology. So as you know, there's like Bluetooth version and LTE version. So in my case, there's this LTE. On the back there's nothing interesting, so we can just remove these seals, the top at the bottom, and now we can go inside. Oh, maybe there's actually some information that we can find here: the LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. Okay, now let's open it. That's how it looks. It actually comes with this second box. So there we got the watch and straps, and there's nothing more inside the boxes. So I'm gonna put them back. And now let's go inside. First, let's take a look on the watch. We've got another seals. I wonder if I can actually peel them off. No, I will actually have to cut them out. So let's go with the first at the bottom. And with the top. So that's how the watch looks. Right here we can find 1, 2, 3 buttons. This button is actually not moving all around, so there's like only press button, not like in the Apple Watches, this crowd control. And this one is also not moving. Right here we can find probably speaker. Here we can input the straps. At the bottom we can find sensor. And okay, that's how it looks. Let's take a look what we can find here. Probably some kind of the charger or cable. Yeah, so in this first box we can find the user manual, so that's nothing interesting. We are not gonna look at it. And in the next one, okay, we actually have to open it from this side. And what we can find right here, I believe that this is the charger. Yeah, so right here we can find the charger. Oh, I got here some scratches with the USB-C end. And right here we got the strap. There's like a lot of cartons here. And it actually looks the same like on the Apple Watch Ultra. This is actually the metal part. You cannot actually stretch this, so we have to slide it. But I wonder how I can actually get rid of this one. Okay, that's actually the part of the strap, never mind. So we can apply them quite easily, I believe. Maybe from the opposite side. Okay, let's check if we can input here. Okay, so to apply this straps we have to click and hold this button, and the same with this one. Now let's turn it on, probably with this middle button. It's not turning on. Now let's try with another button. Or maybe I will have to charge it. Maybe the battery is on the 0%. Okay, so it won't actually turns on for some reason. Okay, now it actually turns on by using this button. So I'm gonna put it on my wrist. There we go. And that's how it looks. That's how it looks on my wrist. You can find some setup screen. And that will be all. That's all about the unboxing of this device. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.